Today's topic is volume. Volume refers to the amount of space a solid can occupy, or it measures the amount of space inside a three-dimensional solid. So, here are examples of three-dimensional solid shapes. First, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. The unit of volume is cube unit. So here is a cube. It has length, breadth, height. It has three units. The cube shown above has a length of 1 centimeter, breadth of 1 centimeter, and height of 1 centimeter. Thus, the volume of a unit cube is defined to be 1 cube centimeters. The volume of any object by counting the number of unit cubes it can hold. So find the volume of the figure shown below. Each cube is of 1 centimeter side. So we have to count the number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this shape we can see 12 cubes. So volume of 1 cube equal to 1 cube centimeter. Thus the volume of 12 cubes equal to 12 cube centimeter. Find the volume of the figure shown below. So here the cubes are arranged in this shape. So we have to find the volume of this shape. So here we have to count the total number of cubes. So in bottom layer we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has two lines. So 4 into 2, 8 cubes. In second layer 3 into 2, 6. Third layer 2 twos are 4 cubes. And fourth layer 1 twos are 2. So total number of cubes are 20 cubes. Volume of 20 cubes equal to 20 into 1 cube centimeter equal to 20 cube centimeter. Now find out the volume of this shape. So bottom layer has how many cubes? 3 twos are 6. And second layer 1 twos are 2. Third layer 1 twos are 2. So total number of cubes are 10. So the volume of 10 cubes equal to 10 cube centimeter. Finding volume using formula. So here is a cube. It has length, breadth, height. So the volume equal to area of the base multiply height. That means length into breadth into height. So we have to multiply length into breadth into height to find out the volume. So find the volume of the cuboid which has length 4 cm, breadth 2 cm, height 8 cm. Let's substitute the formula. So V equal to L into B into H. So here the measurement of L, length equal to 4 centimeter, breadth equal to 6 centimeter, height equal to 8 centimeter. So if we multiply, the volume equal to 192 cube centimeter. So let's try. So here is the sums to practice. Practice first one, you have to count the number of cubes and find out the volume. And second one, use formula of volume and find out the volumes of the given measurement. Thank you.